AI is everywhere. Everyone's talking about it. And today, I'll show you how one single AI tool can do all work for you. From script writing to video creation, captions, transition, editing, music, and even YouTube descriptions and tags. Sounds interesting, right? Let's not waste any more time and jump right in. Step 1. Accessing the AI video tool. At first, head over to this website. You will see a bunch of pre-made AI videos. Scroll down a bit and click on sign up. Use your Google account to quick access to this tool. Once inside, the dashboard might look familiar, just like ChatGPT, but instead of generating text, it creates full AI-powered videos. Step 2. Choosing the video type. Now let's select the type of video we want to make. For example, I'll go with YouTube Shorts, a fast-paced, engaging short-form video. If you are sure about a topic, you can check Google Trends or latest news for trending videos. I am choosing Russian military versus US military as my topic. Now step 3. Customizing your video. After selecting the topic, you will see several options here. For stock media, choose from AI generated videos or image, but AI generation may require paid credits, so it's better to go with the stock footage. Now for background music, I'm going with trailer style track. Then select your language, English. If you want, you can go with other language as well. Now for subtitle, enable them for better engagement. So subtitle always help, like captions. Now voiceover, pick from multiple AI generated voice. I'll go with a male voice here. Now if you want to show your watermark in your video, you can do it from here. Now select the best audio setting as needed. Now finalizing your video. Once you have set everything up, click on continue and the AI will analyze everything you're setting and ask you about the video length, your target audience, and which platform you prefer. So you can choose YouTube, Insta, or TikTok. So I'm going with only 30-second video. Click continue again and the AI will process everything for you automatically. Within minutes, your video will be ready to download with 1080p resolution. Now, last, free versus your paid plan. This AI tool offers a free plan where you can create up to 20 videos per week and 80 per month. If you need more, you can explore the paid plans. The AI tool offers a free plan where you can create up to 20 videos per week and 80 per month. If you need more, you can explore the paid plans. And that's it. AI makes video creation super easy. No needed skill required. No editing skill required. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more content. See you in the next video. Have a great day.
Why do 80% of experts say the USA has the edge over Russia in military power? First up, budget. The USA spends over $700 billion a year on defense, while Russia's budget is around $65 billion. Now let's talk manpower. The US military has about 1.3 million active troops. Russia has around 1 million. How about tech? The The US leads with advanced drones, stealth fighters, and naval power. Russia's no slouch though, with top-notch tanks and missile systems. In a nutshell, bigger budget, more troops, tech edge. The US takes the crown. But Russia's still a formidable force. I'll catch you in the next epic clash.